Welcome. If you want to activate one-hand mode in your LG Velvet, for the first you have to go for the settings. Right now you have to tap on the display, and right here just scroll down and use the switcher to activate the one-hand mode. Click here one more time, and as you can see we have to drag the left or the right edge to the middle and hold it to enter the one-hand mode. So let's try. And as you can see right now we are in the one-hand mode. Oh, let's enter one more time. And right now we can work on this small window right here. We can part a very part of the screen with our one hand. So let's try it one more time. And that's how it works. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.